To fix the Xbox app if it's not working or opening on your PC or laptop, there are a few simple steps you can take. First, open the Microsoft Store by typing it into the Windows search box at the bottom of your screen. Once the store opens, use the search bar at the top to look for the Xbox app. If the app is already up to date, you'll see the option to open it. However, if an update is available, click on Update to install the latest version. After updating the app, or if it was already up to date, you can try resetting and repairing the app. To do this, search for the Xbox app in the Windows search bar again. Right-click on it, and select App Settings. In the Settings window, scroll down to the Reset and Repair options. Click on Reset first, which will delete the app's data, and then click on Repair to fix any issues. The order in which you click these options doesn't matter, as the goal is to reset and repair the entire app. If these steps don't resolve the issue, try restarting your computer. You can also check for updates on your computer by typing Update in the Windows search bar, then clicking on Check for Updates. In the Update window, click on Check for Updates again, and after a few seconds, you'll see a list of available updates. Click on any available updates to download and install them. Once your computer is updated, try opening the Xbox app again to see if it's working.